Base ko sa exemplary. Okay. Hi! Hello! Hi! Okay, very energetic. So it seems to be that you are very interested for today's activity. Okay. My bow and respect to our honored guest, Sir Fritz Nicubo, to the Associate Dean of the College of Computing Studies.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
OIC, Engineer Christian B. Portosa.
Oh, I see.
To the Program Chair of the School of Hospitality and Management, Ma'am J.Ann Saldua. To our visitor, or instructors from Cebuco, sir. To our dearest students.
Sa YouTube.
Pleasant morning. Okay. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to our job entry skills training on professional and personality development. Today marks an important step in your journey towards becoming competent professionals ready to make a positive impact during your practicum and beyond. As you prepare to enter the professional world, it is essential to recognize that success is not solely definitely by technical skills or academic knowledge. This training has been meticulously designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical tools that will enhance both your professional and personal development. You will learn how to present yourself confidently, communicate effectively, and navigate the complexities of the workplace with poise and resilience. Okay, di ba? With poise and resilience. So, walang kaba. So, mas ibala o asa natin. Okay. You will be equipped today with our esteemed guest speaker with the skills necessary to thrive in any professional environment. These skills will not only help you excel during your practicum, but will also lay a strong foundation for your future career endeavors. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn, grow, and showcase your abilities. I encourage you to actively participate and ask questions later in the open forum. This is your chance to absorb as much knowledge as possible and to start thinking about how you can apply these principles in real-world scenarios. As you embark on this exciting phase of your professional journey, I want you to remind that every step you take today is a building block for your future success. Embrace the challenges, learn from the experiences, and always strive to be the best version of yourself. So thank you for being here and committing to your personal and professional development. So let's make this session both enlightening and inspiring. So best of luck to all of you. So once again, welcome to this job entry skills training, and God bless you.